Mental recall. Moving information into our long-term memory. In very simple terms, we have two memory stores, short-term and long-term. For the sake of this explanation, think of these as two filing cabinets or as the RAM or the hard drive of your computer. Our brains actually record all of the data we receive daily. The view out of the car on the commute, what was on the radio this morning, what we had for lunch, what we got for the shopping. Most of this is of dubious long-term use, so our brains store it in an area called short-term memory. When our brain has some downtime during sleep, it reviews the content of the short-term memory, kind of like going through your in-tray, and decides what to keep. The data it wants to keep, it moves over to the long-term memory. The next question is, how does it decide what to keep? The answer is that your brain decides on how much use it is to you, partly on how much you've visited that information. Therefore, by bringing information to the front of your mind, you're essentially moving it into long-term memory by indicating to your brain that it is in fact of use to you. Studies show that simply recording information increases the chance of that information being memorized many times over. Again, this process can also be used in situations where you can't get at your instrument.